Okay, this lesson's for Tuesday, November 8th, 2011. Today you'll notice if you go to the weekly agenda that we have some independent practice on word problems scheduled. You'll be working independently to finish some problems on impulse and momentum, topic that we covered yesterday, so you should have some good notes on that. I'll be asking you to refer back to those equations to make sure that you are using the appropriate equation for each problem. You'll notice that over here we have the link and you can click on that, and if you click on it, it'll take you to the homework assignment. And there's a refresher on how to do the guess method up at the top, and then you have the 4 word problems at the bottom. You only have to do the guess method on the first 3 problems, and you'll notice that it does have the answer so you can check your work. The last one does not have answers because you're not using the guess method. So I'm going to expect you to go through and you'll see kind of why you can't use the guess method, because all you're doing is finding the area under the curve. You remember that we talked about force time graphs yesterday in our notes, and we discussed the fact that when you're trying to find impulse and you're looking at a force versus time graph, all you really have to do is find the area under the curve. So depending on which time interval they're asking you to look at, so in this first case for A, they're asking you to look from 0 to 2, you'd actually just get the area under the curve from 0 to 2 seconds. Because this is a triangle, you'd have to use the equation to find the area of a triangle. So make sure that you're familiar with those. If you have issues, again, make sure you ask before you leave. Really important, guys, if you're taking any homework home, that you make sure you get it done. If you have any questions, make sure you email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This assignment that we're doing today is due tomorrow, but I would encourage you, like I said, to make sure that you get as much done in class as you can, so if you have questions, you can get that cleared up before you leave. All right, that concludes today's lesson for Tuesday.